You see the part that says a to the second, so put in your x and hit that a to the second key. What? Just erase those. Okay, y equals x. And then down here, you see an a to the second key? That'll put you in your...
Okay, then what happened in the graph?
Well, I don't know. Why don't you go back to remove, delete. There you go. Okay? This is called a quadratic graph because you have an x squared term in there. You should remember what quadratics are from last year. The basic definition has an x squared someplace in its term. Every x squared graph, as long as it doesn't have anything else with it, forms a little, looks like a U. It's called a parabola. P-A-R-A-B-O-L-A. It's called a parabola. You better remember the term. Okay.
That's actually something I did last year. I don't
Oh.
remember the quadratic, but I remember the parabola.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if we are going to, this is a parent graph. This is the simplest type of parabola that you can have. It started at 0. And it is symmetrical, which means down through here, if I took the left-hand side and folded it over on the right-hand side, you would have exactly the same graph. Parabolas are symmetrical. So let's put in the expression. And when we do this, y equals x squared, and we are going to add 2 to it. From our description of absolute value graphs that we just did, does this make sense that that same parabola looks exactly alike except that it's moved up? Okay? All it's done is it's moved from here up to here, right? So it has moved up a little bit, it has transformed, it has moved just a little bit. Okay? Let's erase that one so we don't get too many on here at the same time. Put in y. No, I didn't say uh-oh. Equals, parenthesis, x minus 1, and then you want to make it squared. No, not the 1, sorry. Yep.
It goes over 1.
Just like it did with the absolute value one, it moved the opposite direction of the sign that's inside the parentheses. So if I had x minus 1, the quantity squared, does it make sense that it's going to move to the right one? Okay? So what happens if I put all of this together and I put in an expression that goes y equals parenthesis x plus 2, the quantity squared. Does it make it far over? And then put in a minus 2. So it should go to the left 2, shouldn't it? And drop down 2 because of the negative 2 that's outside of that. Okay? So erase that. We're going to put in y equals x squared plus 2x minus 3. When you first look at that, it doesn't seem like it should be that type of graph, does it? I don't have parentheses around everything. That's because it's not in the general form of a quadratic equation. The general form for the parabola is parentheses that are squared. We will be learning how to take it